Well, I'm Jagender Rana. So, topic of the day is penetration of insurance in the MSME sector. Penetration of insurance in the MSME sector. While just around 0.9% of dwelling units in India are insured, the number in the United States is closer to 90%. So when a natural catastrophe hits, individuals incur massive economic losses. Unfortunately, micro, small and medium enterprises often lack a solid understanding of business risk management. So businesses were formerly categorized as MSMEs based on their investment in plant and machinery or equipment. However, businesses must keep their investment to a minimum to get the most advantages from the MSME program. On the other side, these lower limitations are stifling their desires to expand due to their categorization to grow their operations while still receiving MSME advantages. So SMEs are essential drivers of the Indian economy in terms of both output and employment. With approximately 70 million units in operation, India has one of the world's most significant populations of micro, small and medium-sized enterprises. These MSMEs account for approximately 40% of India's GDP and employ more than 180 million people in the nation. According to statistics, the penetration rate of general insurance or non-life insurance in India was 1% at the 0.9% at the end of fiscal 2019, and today it is 1%. To build a robust system to address the failures of MSMEs, insurers need to think about recovery in a broader sense. Because vulnerability that preceded the pandemic has to be visualized. The containment of the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted small and medium-sized businesses, employers, workers and institutions, putting them out of business. But unfortunately, business risk management is often not well understood by MSMEs. According to the 73rd cycle of the National Sample Survey, there are 6.33 million MSMEs in India, so the great majority of which are micro enterprises. Our Indian SMEs lack sound financial management and insurance, exposing them to unexpected events that often cause them to close their doors. COVID-19 has made it difficult for many SMEs to sustain business continuity. As a result, it is critical to revive these units in the short term, as suggested by the Indian government, and prepare them for more secure future in long term. With the government support and other initiatives such as technological advances, financial stability and liquidity and market connections should gradually improve the operational environment of MSMEs. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority recommends ensuring property to reduce this risk, but unfortunately only 5% of SMEs are insured, putting them at a disadvantage. So insurance is required for MSMEs borrowing from banks and non-bank financial institutions, as these institutions require it as a loan condition. However, several MSMEs borrow from the informal sector They are not even covered by basic insurance. So the ultimate goal is to change the perception of insurance among MSMEs. We must assist them in seeing insurance as a critical component of protecting and developing their companies in a planned and organized way so that they can continue to care for their families, workers, and businesses even when times are tough. So, why MSMEs need better insurance? These businesses, which a single individual often controls, are particularly vulnerable due to personal risks offered by their owners and family members, with personal risk posed by their employees exacerbate. So only 5% of SMEs are covered, suggesting a significant coverage gap. A large business could collapse under increasing pressure and fail to withstand a disaster. Therefore, the reinsurers need to look at the insurance potential of SMEs and MSMEs and help them regain confidence and provide a safety net following a loss. So the case study identified policies, management, industries, technology, information, competition, accidents, legal issues, market risk, and criminal activities as the greatest risk. So the global economy's collapse, a worse virus sweeping the planet, severe blockage and a sluggish economy have delayed its development to a $5 trillion economy by 24-25. Suppose the insurance sector's reach is extended to encompass these firms, in the case the insurance industry may see substantial growth, while also supporting these small businesses and maintaining their stability and helping MSMEs recover and become stronger. So to safeguard the future of our customers, we need to simplify the whole customer experience. Risk management is a critical aspect of any business strategy. Risk management is not just a business proposition. It is deeply ignored, deeply ingrained in our organizational philosophy. So we ardently believe that safeguarding businesses, especially MSMEs, is instrumental in bolstering economic resilience and promoting sustainable growth. So in an ecosystem where the MSMEs operate with limited buffers against adversity, effective risk management emerges as their stronghold. Recognizing this, insurers took a big step by introducing a dedicated digital platform for MSMEs. The objective is to educate and guide MSMEs, equipping them with tools and insights to anticipate and navigate potential risks. So insurers are also leveraging the power of artificial intelligence in not only swift claim settlement process but also in underwriting specific products such as fire, marine and workman insurance. So this tech-driven approach streamlines the underwriting process, enable accurate risk assessments and provide tailor-made insurance solutions to MSMEs. The unique offering allows for settlement offers for admissible property and marine claims up to ₹5 lakh within 10 working days, a service powered by AI and big data analytics. So some insurers have also identified partnership with several platforms like Active AI, ASAAS to provide seamless access to group insurance options. Such moves will foster growth and the well-being of all stakeholders in the MSMEs ecosystem. Some companies have also launched a specialized program for its women agent catering to MSMEs. So this initiative involves webinars on insurance and financial literacy based on the research findings, intending to raise awareness among women about the benefits of insurance policies. In today's highly competitive business environment, Small and medium enterprises are faced with the urgent challenge of retaining talent. So group health insurance is emerging as an indispensable tool in the talent retention toolkit for these businesses. So these not only enhance the overall appeal of a job but significantly sets an employer apart in the crowded market. Employees when covered by such policies feel a heightened sense of job satisfaction, knowing that their employer prioritizes their health and financial well-being instills a profound sense of value. This insurance safety net becomes invaluable during medical emergencies, acting as a buffer against financial stress. It also paves the way for a healthier workforce as it promotes regular health checks, reducing absenteeism. So when talented professionals weigh multiple job offers, comprehensive health insurance often emerges as a decisive factor. This deep-seated sentiment of being cared for fosters loyalty, curbing employer turnover. Insurance policies that facilitate professional growth show a company's long-term investment in its workforce. This aligns individual growth trajectories with the overarching success of the firm. So understanding the nuances, needs of MSMEs, insurance companies have charted a unique course to support their growth and resilience through a blend of innovative solutions. So at the forefront of this initiative is the specialized digital platform. Alarmingly, while India is a home to an overwhelming 62 million business owners, a mere 3% have embraced SME insurance. This glaring gap underscores a pressing demand we aim to bridge. To address this, our approach is twofold. First, we provide a vast suite of insurance products tailored to these diverse needs of MSMEs. Second, we guarantee swift claim settlement, which are essential for businesses that can't afford prolonged downtime. Beyond just insurance, our platform provides a holistic suite of services, from crop, health, and property insurance to specialized coverage, such as liability, floater. We have got the gamut covered, and we meticulously design each product to defend businesses against a spectrum of risk, including cyber threats and issues of employees' dishonesty. So in sum, insurance companies are insurance primarily mission is dual prolong to equip MSMEs with a comprehensive shield of protection and to offer them a seamless digital experience that will serve to increase the penetration of insurance in MSME sector in India. Thank you very much.